Okay, for the classic lettuce wrap sauce, hoisin sauce goes in. Soy sauce for seasoning. Nice. Rice wine vinegar. Sriracha. And then just give that a good stir. Look at that, look at the sheen on that sauce. That is what you want right there. Beautiful. Look at these. They just give out a fantastic texture to lettuce wraps, especially with the pork. But they are delicious. Amazing. All I'm going to do is just roughly chop these. They don't have to be perfect. So in a hot pan, add your veg oil. Not olive oil, extra virgin vegetable oil. Look at that pan, it's slightly smoking. It's smoking now. So that's when you add the mince. You never add mince to a lukewarm pan. So now, I'm going to add my pork. Give that sound, amazing. That's what you want. Don't be afraid, get that in. So a touch of salt, not too much. So that's on a high heat now, but that will caramelise, that will never stick. So just leave it. It's not going to boil, it's going to caramelise. I could just eat that sauce as it is. But that's amazing. Really, really nice. Nice combo. Cooking's about heat control, of course. But look, just give it a good stir and see how those caramelised bits are going. That's what you want. So now grate your garlic. You get that in. Yes. Beautiful. Now your ginger. And this will create so much flavour. It's unbelievable. This is a game changer. Ginger always is. It's fantastic. Look at that. Hear that pop? Plus the water of the ginger as well. Amazing. Next, add that sauce. Oh, the smell in this kitchen is unbelievable. Amazing. You just want to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that, amazing. So in lettuce wraps, I do like a little bit of jalapeno. So now add water chestnuts for texture. And you want that sauce to reduce down. Look at that. And then for some spiciness, just a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit of mild chili. Nice. A little bit of sriracha for the top, not too much. Oh. Look at that. Simple, delicious. You need to make this. It's so simple, but it's so delicious.